In this experiment, we will demonstrate how to plot the equipotential lines on a plane. Connect the equipotential plotting kit to a battery. Record the positions of the electrodes on a graph paper. Connect the probes to a center zero galvanometer. Fix one of the probes on the surface. Record the position of the fixed probe on the graph paper. Move the other probe on the surface until the galvanometer registers a zero reading. Record the position of the moving probe on the graph paper. Move the moving probe on the surface to find several positions that the galvanometer registers a zero reading. Draw a smooth line through all the points on the graph paper. Change the position of the fixed probe and draw more equipotential lines. Repeat with electrodes of other shapes.